California shorty. It's just me, I'm tryna start a party. Say my love for you. I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, party, trying my best to meet somebody.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So as you can see, this is going to be my spring break vlog, and me and my family came to Florida. So this is going to be full of our adventures. I don't really know what we're going to do, honestly. We're about to go to the beach, so I have on this little top, my one-piece bikini that my sister absolutely hates, and black shorts, and then I just got these sunglasses. So basically the update. It took us like 20 hours to get here, which kind of sucked, right Dalton? Yeah, he's just sitting there watching me. But we're gonna go to the beach. I will obviously vlog at the beach. Me and my sister are probably gonna take some pictures. I need to have her film part of my video for my outfits video that is going up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I will update you guys later. Alright guys, so update is we went out to eat, as you guys saw, and then we went to a store, and I straightened my hair, and literally it's so like frizzy here or like humid that it won't stay. Then after we got back, I decided, oh, I'm gonna try and take golden hour pictures. So I came outside to do my makeup, and I did it really quickly, and I hate the way it came out, but I was like, okay, whatever. By the time I got to take the pictures, the sun was down too far, so you can't even tell it's golden hour. So I'm kind of like really bad mood right now. My brother's being a butthead too. So that's my update. Also, look at my tan line. I got very burnt. My face is burnt too. So that's a fun time. And if you can't hear me, I'm really sorry because freaking cars and stuff. But that's my update. I'm in a really bad mood. I hate this makeup. Like, I don't hate the eyes, but I don't know. I don't like it. And my pictures, I don't really think look that good. So, plus I'm trying so hard to get Norvina to notice me because I want to be on that PR list so bad. But I don't want to give up, but I just have this gut feeling that I'm not gonna get it, and I'm gonna cry, but it's okay. So that's my update. I hope y'all are enjoying so far. I'm trying to make this like as creative and stuff as possible, but today was just kind of a chill day because we just got here. So, but yeah. Hello, so we are right now at the beach, and took a couple pictures. I don't really like any of the pictures I'm getting so far. I don't know why. I'm really picky with pictures, but it's okay. So as you can see, I'm burnt as fuck. which is annoying, but yeah, we're just at the beach, trying to tan a little bit without burning again. I put on so much tanning lotion, you guys don't even understand. But yeah, that's my update for now. We're gonna go get lunch later, and I think we're gonna go to the store, and that's kind of off right now. Looky, there's little birdies. They're so cute. We're back to filming outside, so update time. We might be going mini golfing. I don't know. My tan lines are really freaking bad. I got soap in my eye when I took my shower, which is a great time. But basically today we went to the beach like you guys saw. Then we came back to the house for a while, had some lunch. Then we went to the pool for about an hour and a half. I tanned for a while, used sunscreen, and went in the water and swam, which is why I had to wash my hair. And now we've just been chilling for a while, so we might either go putt-putting or to Target or both. I don't really know what's happening. I don't think anyone knows what's happening. All I know is I am very red. So yeah, I will update you guys when we are doing something. If we do something, I don't really know. It looks like it's gonna rain. I want to go to Ulta, but no one will take me unless I can convince my dad to let me and Zoe take the car and let me go to Target and Ulta. Or I'll have to wait until I'm with my mom to go to Ulta. So yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying so far. I know it's not been exciting, but I've been trying. Look at the bird. Oh my goodness. It's a birdie.
Work. Hi, people.
We're at Publix. Alright, Teen.
Yeah.
She's been looking for tea since we got here, so that's what we're doing. We don't see it either,
There's
so
no tea.
she's upset. We are at the pool. So, the hot tub is very hot, but I don't want to get in the pool because it's way too cold. So, I'm literally sitting here in a hoodie with my feet in the hot tub. That's it. Zoe's reading, and Dalton's somehow in the hot tub. And my sunburn, I literally feel like it's getting worse. Like, it hurts so bad. And we went out for like lunch, but before that we came to the pool for like an hour, and I just kind of sat in my clothes and read. Like, I was literally just sitting with my clothes on, and I think I have a sunburn from that, because like my clothes like came like right here, and I think I have a sunburn, and I have like 100 bug bites on me too. So this has been a bit of a flop of a vacation, but I'm waiting to see who gets emails back from Norvina. No one said anything yet, so it's getting a bit annoying. She literally just tweeted like a minute ago, like, "Hi, I've been really busy, I'll check back later," and I'm just like, you're leaving us hanging, and I don't like it. But yeah, that's my update. Dalton's low-key judging me, I just know it, but it's okay. So I'll check in again later. I don't know what else is going on tonight. Probably nothing really. It's supposed to rain soon. Like, you can tell that right behind me looks like it's gonna rain. Zoe and I have to finish my outfits video, which I feel like is a flop so far, honestly. Don't know if it's gonna get posted. If it does get posted, it's gonna be hecka short. So yeah, that's my update. Okay guys, so you haven't seen me in here yet. I'm in the bathroom. I just showered, but basically I'm gonna update y'all. So yesterday, last time I vlogged, we were at the store. So after we went to the store, we came back to the house. We went to the pool again. Then we came back, and basically I was just kind of on my phone a lot. Today's the last day you can get an email from Norvina for being on the list. So I'm in 2 different group chats. One is a support group chat, and one is more of like, we're kind of like all friends type of group chat on Twitter. All of us are trying to get on the list. I know I probably won't make the list this time, but I know eventually I will. Like, I'm gonna work so hard for it, and it's just something I really, really want. But yeah, I've been talking in the group chats a ton, talking to Tiffany, obviously, and that's kind of all. Me and Zoe filmed part of my video for my outfit video yesterday. Actually filmed it twice. We also went to the farmer's market. I don't think I showed you guys that. But yeah, this vlog is just gonna be kind of like a humble bumble jumble of a bunch of different stuff. But basically today it's raining and we leave at 6. It's noon right now, so I'm just gonna put on my clothes. We're gonna start packing today. I'm gonna keep updated on Twitter and stuff. Probably post on Instagram later. But yeah, I've just kind of been chilling a little bit. I know that this vlog was kind of messy and like I wasn't super like talkative, but I was really trying to stay in the moment, and the whole Norvina thing has literally been taking over for me. So yeah, but I hope you guys have been enjoying so far, and I will update y'all probably about when we leave.